हेलो स्टूडेंट, आई होप यू आर डूइंग गुड। सो स्टूडेंट, ये हमारा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इंट्रोडक्शन का थर्ड पार्ट है, इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट। इसके पहले आप पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 देख लें। अगर आपको बेसिक्स क्लियर है तो आप स्किप करके डायरेक्टली यहाँ से कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं। पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2 एंड पार्ट 3 कंप्लीट होने के बाद आप एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीटली कर सकते हैं। टॉपिक है हमारा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल। कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल मीन्स ऑल यू नो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल इज व्हाट? द सम ऑफ टू एंगल इज 90 डिग्री। So basically you all know कि in trigonometry we are talking about the right angle triangle. So let's see here there is a one right angle triangle ABC, right at B, and the angle C is theta. As you all know, if C is theta, this is the right angle triangle right at B. So angle A will become 90 minus theta. As you all know, why? Because sum of the angle of triangle is 180 degree. So here you can do theta plus 90 minus theta, it will become 180. I hope clear to all. Yes. Okay. Here if we talk about the angle sin theta, so as you all know, sin theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, or you can say angle opposite to the side to the hypotenuse. So it will become AB by AC, right? Okay, let's see. If we talk about cos theta, then it will become side up, adjacent side and to the hypotenuse. So adjacent side, or we can say base is what? BC by hypotenuse is AC, right? Okay. Now if we reverse the triangle, and it will become right at B and C will goes there, and it will be angle A, that is 90 minus theta. Now if we talk about in this angle, in this triangle, angle A, in place of angle A is what? It is 90 minus theta. When we are going to find 90 minus theta, it will become side opposite to the angle to the hypotenuse. So side opposite to the angle is what? BC by hypotenuse is what? AC. Okay. Next, if we are going to find cos 90 minus theta, then it will become adjacent side of the angle to the hypotenuse, or we can say base by hypotenuse. So it will become AB by hypotenuse is what? AC. So from here you can calculate. If you see in both the triangle, both are same triangle. What we did it here, we just reverse the triangle. First time BC is what? BC was the base. Now BC is become perpendicular, right? So now from here you can see sin theta is what? AB by AC. If we come to this triangle, you can see cos 90 minus theta is what? AB by AC. So from this two observation we can calculate both this observation, and we can say sin theta is what? Sin theta is what? Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta, right? Sin theta is what? Cos 90 minus theta. Why? Because their value is same. AB by AC, AB by AC. You can see from here. If AB by AC both are same, so we can say sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. तो बेसिकली बच्चा लोग, हमें स्कूल में ये एज अ फार्मूला मदद कराया जाता है, या बताया जाता है कि साइन cos 90 minus theta is what, और वी कैन से sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta, BC by AC. BC by AC is what? Cos theta. So we can say कि sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta, right? So this formula is become like that, and this is called trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. I hope clear to all. Okay, so pause करके note करो, बढ़ते हैं next topic पे. Okay, dear student, now again for all the trigonometric ratios for complementary, this is sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta, and for cos 90 minus theta it is sin theta. Similarly, tan 90 minus theta it is cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta it is tan theta, and cosec 90 minus theta it is sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Okay, these are the formula, not formula. We have explained you how they are become like that. Okay, we explained sine and cos. Similarly, you can find it tan, cot, cosec and sec. Okay, I hope this you understand very well. All these things you can understand. Okay, now we are moving one step forward. This is little bit basic to advanced. Okay, as you all know, it is a Cartesian plane. You all know it is a Cartesian plane, and in Cartesian plane, you know this is a cos x, or you sorry, this is a Cartesian plane in which it is a x-axis, it is a negative x-axis, it is a y-axis, and it's a negative y-axis. You all know? Okay, very good. Here we meet one angle, or it is become 90 degree. Let's see, it is angle theta, right? Okay, so in first quadrant, as you all know, in Cartesian plane there are 4 quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. And you all know what is the value of first quadrant? Positive value, plus and plus, and this is minus and plus, and this is minus minus, and in this plus and minus. Okay, so in the trigonometric ratios, in first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. Why? Why they are positive? Why? Because this is a positive x-axis. This is a positive x-axis. If someone can ask, or you can ask to someone, why all the trigonometric ratios are positive in first quadrant? In your school, and some of them teaching, all the trigonometric ratios are positive in first quadrant. They are taking A as P, C. They will teach you like that. After school to cinema, add sugar to coffee, like that you can remember. Why? These are the significance. A for all positive. S stands for sine, and reciprocal of sine is what? Cosec. Sine and cosec are positive in the second quadrant, rest all negative. T stands for tan, and reciprocal of tan is cot. Tan and cot both are positive in third quadrant, rest all ratios are negative. Similarly, C stands for cos. Cos is and reciprocal, sec is positive in the fourth quadrant, and rest all negative. Right? I will explain you why all the trigonometric ratios are positive in first quadrant, why sine and cosec is only positive and rest all negative. Further you can understand. Sure. Okay, let's see. So this is a positive axis. So in front of me, this is a base. So we can say this is a base, then this value will be positive. Why? Because this is a positive x-axis. Similarly, it is a y-axis. And as you all know, this is a positive y-axis. So this is a perpendicular. And this one is also positive. Now, it is what? In front of 90 degree or right angle, what? Hypotenuse. Remember, hypotenuse always be positive, never ever negative. Perpendicular and base can be positive, can be negative, but hypotenuse always be positive. Okay. So if we are going to find trigonometry ratios for angle theta. So sin theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Both are positive. And cos theta, base by hypotenuse, positive. If we are going to find tan theta, perpendicular by base, positive. Reciprocal of three ratios, sin is what? Cosec, hypotenuse by perpendicular, positive. If we are going to find cos, cos is what? Base by hypotenuse, reciprocal sec, sec is what? Hypotenuse by base, positive. Right? Okay. Same triangle we form here. Let's suppose this is angle theta. Now we move in negative x-axis. So this value will be negative b. This base will become negative, but still perpendicular is positive. Now here if we are going to find trigonometric ratio for this angle theta, then what will happen? Now you see sin theta. Sin theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. You all know hypotenuse always be positive. Why? You can go and use the Pythagoras theorem. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Perpendicular is what? Square, positive. Minus b whole square, it will be positive. Square plus square will be hypotenuse. Then hypotenuse is still positive. So sin theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, p by h, and its reciprocal is hypotenuse by perpendicular. That is also positive. But if we are going to find cos theta, then cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse. Base is negative and hypotenuse is positive. Then cos theta will become negative, and reciprocal of cos theta is also become negative. I hope clear. Clear to all? Now we are going to find tan theta. Then tan theta is what? Tan theta is what? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is positive and base is negative. So tan theta is also become negative, and reciprocal of tan is also negative. That is why in the second quadrant sine and reciprocal of sine cosec is positive. Rest all trigonometry ratios are negative. Right? Okay. If we talk about the third quadrant, okay, let it. Dear student, if we talk about the third quadrant, now we make another angle. Now you can see if this angle is theta, or you can say this angle is theta. Anyway, you can let it here or here. You will get definitely the value. Now this value is negative. Why? Because this was in negative axis. Now if we move downwards, this is the negative y-axis. So this value perpendicular. Let's see, perpendicular, because I am standing here. This angle is theta, right? If I am standing here, then this is the base and this is the perpendicular, right? Then this value will become negative. Why? We are moving towards the negative y-axis, right? Okay. From here, if we are going to find trigonometry ratio sine for angle theta, then I am standing here, then it is a perpendicular. Perpendicular is what? Minus p. And hypotenuse? Hypotenuse always positive. Why? If we are going to find the hypotenuse, then what we will do? We will use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? Perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse. Now from here minus sign is there. Then we will do the square. अगर मैं स्क्वायर करूँगा then it will become positive. यहाँ पे स्क्वायर करूँगा it will become positive. Both will become positive. Now hypotenuse is still positive. Clear? Okay. Sin theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse p by h. So from here you can clearly see that sin theta is negative. Why? P is negative, then sin will be negative. And its reciprocal is what? Cosec. Cosec is also negative. Why? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Perpendicular is negative. Then cosec will be negative. Similarly, we are going to find cos theta. Then cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse. Base is negative, then hypotenuse is also negative. Right? Okay. Now if we are going to find tan theta is what? Tan theta is what? perpendicular by base, perpendicular is negative and base is negative, negative sign will be cut and it will become positive. That is why in third quadrant tan theta and its reciprocal cot theta is positive, others trigonometry ratios are negative. Similarly, you can find cos theta in fourth quadrant, it is a positive and its reciprocal is sec is also positive, rest are negative. It is your homework, you can find it. Now you know why all trigonometry ratios are positive in first quadrant and sin its reciprocal cosec is positive in second quadrant and tan similarly cos. Right? I hope clear to all. But then next topic. Okay. So one more thing is left. I am going to tell you. We are always measuring the angle from anti-clockwise direction. Why? In anti-clockwise direction, we are getting a positive angle. If we are going to find the angle, measuring the angle in clockwise direction, it will be negative. Why? Because it is a positive x-axis, positive y-axis. We are moving positive to positive. That is why. Okay. If we are measuring the angle in positive and it is a negative y-axis, that is why in clockwise direction we are measuring the angle. It is a negative. In anti-clockwise it is a positive. Right? Why it is a positive? Why it is a negative? You all know. Okay. So from here we can calculate what if we are moving anti-clockwise direction. It means this is a 0 degree angle and we are here. It means it is a 90 degree angle and it is a positive. If we are moving towards this direction, it is a minus 90 degree angle. It means we are moving in a clockwise direction, right? So if we are moving anti-clockwise direction, then we will move first in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, we all know all trigonometric ratios are positive. If we are moving in the second quadrant, we all know sin and its reciprocal cosec is positive. And in third quadrant, then it is a tan and cot. If we are moving in the fourth quadrant, then it is a cos and sec. Similarly, if we are moving in a clockwise direction, then we will get first cos. So cos is positive here. Okay. So similarly, in our school, teacher are saying, dear student, you remember these formulas. Sin minus theta. Why? Because we are moving in a clockwise direction. In clockwise direction, this angle is become negative. ये एंगल नेगेटिव हो जाएगा तो साइन माइनस थीटा इज व्हाट माइनस साइन थीटा. व्हाई इट इज अ माइनस साइन थीटा? बिकॉज वी आर मूविंग इन द क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. if we are moving in the clockwise direction, then first we will come to in this quadrant, and in this quadrant sign is what? Negative. If we talk about tan, tan is also negative. That is why negative sign is come. But if we talk about the cos theta, then it will become cos theta. Why negative sign is disappear? Because in the fourth quadrant cos theta is positive. I hope clear to all. Okay, so don't remember this is the formula. This is the basic formula. You can understand. Okay, now move to the next topic. Dear student, now next topic is what? This all whatever we explained you, this is in our syllabus. Now we are moving little bit advanced. Okay, not it's advanced. If you know, then it will be better for your competitive exams. Okay. Now we all aware this is a Cartesian plane, and from here to there, if we are moving, it means it is a positive angle. So this is a 0 degree angle. I am standing here. Now slowly we move here. It will become 90 degree, and now I am here. It will become 180 degree. Now I am here. It is a 270 degree, and now again we move here, and it is a 360 degree angle. Right? Okay. If we are adding something in 0, then we are come to first quadrant. Right? If we are moving, I'm here. If we are adding something in 90 degree, then it means we are moving in the second quadrant. right? Similarly, if we are subtracting anything to the 90-degree angle, we are again coming to the first quadrant. Similarly, if we are here and we are adding something, it means we are moving in third quadrant. If we are subtracting something, it means we are moving in second quadrant. Similarly, 270, similarly for 360. As you all know, priorly we explained sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. And cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. Right? We explained why it is equal to that. Okay? It's a very easy. Now similarly, if we are whatever we have subtracted, it means we are still in first quadrant. You all know in first quadrant all the trigonometry ratios are positive. But we explain you, if we are adding something, it means we are moving to the second quadrant. Now what will happen if we change the angle 90 plus theta? As we all know, sine 90 minus theta, when we are subtracting with any trigonometry ratio with the 90-degree angle, then sine will become cos and cos will become sine. For similarly, you remember, sine will become cos, cos will become sine, tan will become cot, and cot will become tan, sec will become cosec, and cosec will become sec. When we are going to change with a 90-degree angle, we are adding or we are subtracting. So definitely sine 90 minus theta, it will become, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So definitely sine 90 plus theta will also become cos theta. Right? Okay. Now if we are going to change cos 90 plus theta, so you all will say in cos 90 plus theta is what? It will become sin theta. But it's wrong. Why it is wrong? Can anyone tell? Okay. पॉज करके सोचो, अगर बता सकते हो तो कमेंट करके बताओ. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू आर इंटेलिजेंट. Yes, you all are intelligent. Okay, why it is wrong? So, dear student, sin 90 plus theta. As you all know, in first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. And in second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal is positive. Rest all trigonometric ratios are negative. Why they are negative? We explained you. Right? Okay. So here you can see sine 90 plus theta, we are adding something to the 90 degree. It means we are moving in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine theta is positive. That is why cos, it will change in cos, but still it will be in positive. This value will be positive. Right? Okay. Now here we are going to change cos theta, cos 90 plus theta. Now we are adding something, it means we are moving in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos theta is what? Negative. That is why cos 90 plus theta is what? Minus sin theta. Right? I hope आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा. ओके, अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं. अगेन आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू पर्सनली. राइट? ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट. tan 90 plus theta is what? As you all know, when we are going to change the trigonometry ratios with 90 degree, sin will become cos, cos will become sin, tan will become cot, cot will become tan, sec will become cosec, and cosec will become sec. Okay? Tan 90 plus theta. We are adding something in 90 degree, it means we are moving to the second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative, then negative sign will come and tan will become cot. Why we are changing with 90 degree? I hope clear. If we are going to change sec theta, it will become sec 90 plus theta, it will become minus cosec theta. Why? We are changing with the 90 degree, sec will become cosec, but 9 minus sign will come. Why minus sign will come? Because sec in the second quadrant is negative, that is why it negative sign will come. I hope clear. Now if we are going to change cosec theta, then comment me fast, pause for and comment. It will become sec theta. Why? Because in the second quadrant cosec is positive, that is why it will be positive, right? I hope ये आपको clear हो गया होगा. So dear students, now you know for complementary angles you all know all the ratios, how they are changing. Okay, similarly for 90 plus theta, we already explained to you, it will become cos theta. If we talk about the cos 90 plus theta, it will be negative sin theta. And if we talk about the tan 90 plus theta, it will become cot theta, negative. If we write cot 90 plus theta, it will become negative tan theta. Sec theta, sec 90 plus theta, it will become minus cosec theta. If we talk about the cosec 90 plus theta, it will be plus sec theta. Why they are minus? Why minus and positive signs are coming? You all know we are moving in the second quadrant. In second quadrant only sine and cosec are positive, rest all are negative, that is why negative sign come in their front, right? For similarly we can change the trigonometry ratio with the angle 180 degree, 270, similarly for 360. If you want more, continue watching us and support us. We'll explain you. Please comment. If you want, sir, change the trigonometry ratio angle with 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. Please comment us. I will explain you. Jai Hind.